Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a heater core in a 1998 Volvo V70. The procedure will be very similar for Volvo 70 and 850 models from the years 1993 to 2000. The national average for this job is between $563 and $734, according to RepairPal.com. Some signs that you need a new heater core are a sweet smell in the car, a damp rug under your feet, especially on the passenger side, a steamy smell while driving, and unexplained loss of coolant. The first thing you need to do is to buy a new heater core. I recommend the OEM Bare heater core. We'll start by removing the lower kick panel on the driver's side. Unfasten the 1 Torx 25 screw. The kick panel will slide back and out. Disconnect the electrical terminal that goes to the light. Remove the kick panel. Pull the carpet back and wedge the carpet under the pedals. Remove the plastic panel. Now you can see the heater core box from the driver's side. Now we will remove the glove box. Unfasten the 6 Torx 25 screws that you will find around the inside of the glove box. Any Torx 25 driver will do, but I'm using a Torx 25 bit on a screw gun. Pull out the glove box. Remove the 2 Torx 25 fasteners on the underneath lip of the glove box. Pull the panel down and unfasten the electrical terminal that goes to the light. Now remove the panel. Pull back the passenger side carpet. It will easily release from the console. Remove the plastic covering from the heater box area. Now you can see the heater box from the passenger side. This is called the knee bolster. The 13mm nuts that hold the knee bolster on are located in these 3 locations. With a 13mm socket and an extension, remove the 3 nuts that hold on the knee bolster. Remove the knee bolster. These are the 2 hoses that go to the heater core. They must be pinched off prior to disconnecting the heater core. These are line clamps, which are designed to pinch off soft hoses like these radiator hoses. You can see that I put the line clamps on each of the hoses leading to the heater core. This is an extremely important step. If you don't do this, you will get a flood of radiator fluid in your car. Now on the passenger side, remove a horizontal Torx 15 screw, which you will find right here. Now remove a vertical Torx 25 screw that you will find right here. After you remove these 2 screws, you will find 2 identical screws in the same locations on the driver's side, which need to be removed as well. Now it is time to disconnect the coolant pipes from the heater box. First, put down rags and get a small container ready. About 3 ounces or so of coolant is going to escape from the aluminum pipes that connect to the heater core. There is a Torx 25 fine thread screw, which you will find between the connectors. A short driver like the one I have will be very beneficial in getting this screw out. When you have removed the screw, pull the heater box back toward the back of the car. When you do this, some coolant will come out of the pipes, so you need to have your container and rags ready. This is approximately how much coolant will come out if your hoses are properly pinched off. Pull the bottom of the heater box back towards the back of the car. Push the cable that is below the heater box down. Wiggle the heater box to get it past the cable and remove the heater box from the passenger side. Remove the old O-rings and clean up the ends of the pipes. This is the heater core box with the old heater core in it. Remove these 4 Torx 15 screws. I'm using my screw gun with a Torx 15 bit in it to speed things up. And remove the old heater core. Simply pull it out of the old box. Clean up the heater core box with a rag. This is the new Bear OEM heater core that I purchased from Amazon.com. Place the provided foam strip around the new heater core in the same manner that you found the foam strip on the old heater core. If you have a little extra foam strip, just cut it off. Put the new heater core in the heater box. The screw pattern will not allow you to put it in incorrectly. Fasten the 4 Torx 15 screws. I like to tighten the screws by hand. To review, the Torx 25 screw goes right here, a Torx 15 right there. The Torx 25 goes vertically again right here, and the Torx 15 right there. The Torx 25 fine thread goes right here. Put new OEM O-rings on the pipes. It's important that they be OEM or the upgraded silicone version. Slide the new heater core assembly into place from the passenger side. You'll need to press down on the cable underneath the heater core and wiggle the unit past the cable and up into place. This will take some patience. Once it is snugly into place, tighten the horizontal Torx 15 screw and the vertical Torx 25 screw on both sides of the heater box. Now tighten the fine thread Torx 25 screw to attach the heater core to the pipes. Tightening this screw presses the new O-rings to make a good seal. Remove the line clamps from the hoses. Top off your coolant to the correct level. Start up your car and turn the heater on. Let it run a while so that you know there is no leak. In my video description, I'll put a link for the Bear OEM heater core. The original heater core that came with the car was a Bear, and it lasted 17 years. It costs extra to buy the Bear heater core, but I feel that it is well worth it. I found that Amazon.com had the best price on this unit. Also, I'll put links for 2 less expensive heater cores, and I'll put links for the OEM O-rings and for the inline hose clamps. These clamps are very inexpensive, but they work very well. Also, I'll put links for the Milwaukee 8-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, a set of Torx bits, the Milwaukee M18 work light, and last but not least, the Milwaukee M18 impact driver. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful.